Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video of this YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video, and like this video. So now let's roll in the intro. First of all, I wanna thank you guys for clicking on this video, and now I wanna give a brief information about myself that I have not given in the beginning. And my name is Anmol and I live in India, and I'm 16 years old, and I don't have I wanna be really like crystal clear that I don't have full resources to start a business like drop shipping, which I really want to start, affiliate marketing, any other business. I don't have the money to start, like literally I have zero money right now. Plus my parents actually not really support, like they say like they support me, that they say that do whatever you want to do. But the thing is that it's my 10th class, and this is the most important class. It is considered the most important class because after 12th I want to go to Australia, and those immigration rules, one that intends the students should have a great percentage, and plus these are the reasons that I don't these are the reasons why I can't start a full-fledged business. And if you're one of them, consider subscribing, because in the future I have really good content coming up related to how to grow your social media, what businesses can you start as a beginner with zero money, literally zero money, and without a laptop, and some daily vlogs also. Please, if you can hear the traffic or the horns, please ignore that. It's really, there's a ton of traffic where I live, so just ignore that. And if you want that, consider subscribing and like this video. And now let's talk about what you're here for. You're here for because you want to learn how you can get any type of course on Instagram for cheap, because you know that those so-called gurus, they have tell a bit about their course. Just they give they just give a few knowledge about their course, and after that they will pitch you with a course. And after that, if you decide that you want to buy that course, it's actually really expensive and you can't even afford that. Maybe your parents even can't afford that. And so I'm here, your boy is here for you, to help you go through that process. So first thing is first of all, you need to have a PayPal account, because most of the times you're gonna accept the payment via PayPal only. So if you don't have a PayPal account, get your PayPal account. It's really easy. Or if your parents are not like allowing you, or they just say that it's scam, go to your friend's house who's a good friend, and tell them that I want the course, so you pay on my behalf, and I'll pay you afterwards. And after that you can start learning. And first of all, if you can get a PayPal account, get a PayPal account. Second of all, you need to open the Instagram account. You have to open an Instagram account if you don't have it, or if you have it, you can message these accounts, and I will also leave a link in the description below. They're not my account, they're not my friend's account. We don't do such illegal stuff. Don't be scared that if it's illegal, it's illegal to sell. It's not illegal to buy. It's fully legal to buy. So what I was saying, after that you will go to these accounts, you will message them, and you will I consider messaging all of them. After that you will go with that person who will offer you the course at a really cheap price, because people have different prices. And just don't buy if they say that they have the cheapest rate, or ask for some proof like photos. Or if you're still not satisfied, you can say that give me a photo within the video of the course, and if they have that, go ahead, buy. They will give the course. And the next step is smashing the like button if you haven't done it right now. It will help me, and plus you will help all other people around the world who don't have complete resources and who want to be a millionaire in the future. If you just liking this video you will help me and those other kids spreading the word. So like it. So after that, what I was saying, that you need to download Mega. It's a cloud storage web app, and I will also leave a link in the description below about that. And after that, you will download that and you will register your account, and after that they will ask for an email account, your registered email account on Mega. You will give them that, and you will get the course, and you will learn, and you will be a millionaire right after learning the course. No, it's not like that. You need to have resources, plus you need to have some money to start, and and most important, dedication. You should have dedication if you want to be successful, and you need to be able to handle failure, and those are the steps that you need to do in order to get the course. And if you like this video, please share, like, subscribe, because if you want to learn how to start a business, how to grow social media, different side hustles that a teenager can start, consider subscribing. And that's all for today's video, and my video and next video is coming on today is Saturday, maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. And that's all. Thank you guys if you have watched it till now. I appreciate that. And plus, and if your parents are not allowing you to do what you want to do, just go to my Instagram account and message me. And the first 10 people who will message me, I will call them, and I will try to convince their parents to let you do what you want to do. And after that you can do, and I will be really happy if you can do it, because you're my family, you're my brothers, you're my sisters. And now that's all. Enough talking. Bye. See you in the next video.